Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Malik and I'm talking about web crawler. Okay, first of all, what is a web crawler? It is used by search engines to download pages from the web and then processed and indexed it later by search engines also to provide fast searches. It is a program type that browses the web in an automatic manner, searching for contents. This is also known as web spiders, bots, and worms. So the role of a crawler is basically retrieve web contents. So why we use crawlers? So basically, the internet contains lots of information, and every second new information is coming in. Therefore, we need something to find relevant information among all the big information that available on the internet. So that's where web crawlers come in. Web crawlers provide such mechanism for search engines to search relevant informations. So the basic operation of a crawler begins with something known as a seed pages, which are a set of URLs given to it as a parameters, and then they fetch and parse to see the URLs given and extract the URLs that they point to and then placed it on a queue, and finally we fetch each URL on the queue and repeat the process until there is no new URLs coming in or until the disk is full. So after that we have types of crawlers. We have three types of crawlers. First is a batch crawlers, meaning it crawls a snapshot of the crawl space until they reach a certain size or time limit. And then we have incremental crawlers, which continuously crawl the crawl space, revisiting URL to ensure freshness. And finally, we have focused crawlers. It attempts to crawl pages pertaining to some topic or a theme, while minimizing number of topic pages that are collected. So basically, it focused on a certain topics. So crawlers usually perform some type of URL normalization in order to avoid crawling the same pages again and again. The term URL normalization here refers to the process of modifying and standardizing. So when we're talking about crawling, there are some problems. So there are three important characteristics of the web that makes crawling a web page is very difficult. So the first one is the volume of the web page, and secondly is the rate, how fast the contents on the web page is changing, and the third one is the dynamic page generations. So to overcome all these difficulties, the web crawler contains several policies. The first one is a selection policy that states which page to download. The second one is a revisit policy that states when to check for changes in the pages. And third one is politeness policy that states how to avoid overloading websites. And finally is a parallelization policy that states how to coordinate distributed web crawlers. And here are some of the examples of web crawlers that are available. So first one we have a Yahoo Slurp, which is a Yahoo search crawler. Then MSN bot, the Microsoft Bing web crawlers. Then we have the Google web crawler, which is a Google bot, and a Slug, a semantic web crawler. And also we have a World Wide Web world. It's something used to build a simple index of document titles and URLs. Okay, thank you for listening.